All right, everybody, we're back again. Today we're doing a acrylic acrylic nail art kit. And these are how the other two are holding on. I went ahead and polished them. Even though I don't like short nails, I went ahead and did it. Okay. Now this monomer in this box is very strong. So let's get these stuff out. 100, 180 foul, clear acrylic, dapping dish, 18 brush, nail forms. I hate these ones. Absolutely hate them, but we're gonna use them for the video. MMA free, well, EMA acrylic powder, but they made sure they put MMA free on the side. And this one does come with the acid free primer, so that's good. So let me get all these open and set up. Hold on, let me tell you how much. It's 30 grams of clear and 2.5 fluid ounces of monomer. So let's open these and then I'll come back. Okay, so we got it open. Got this little file. This form I absolutely hate, but we're gonna use it because it comes with the kit. And of course, you're not getting my pipette and a lint-free wipe. So if you don't have anything like that, you'd have to use the back of the brush and pour it in your little dapping dish, and then use a paper towel or something like that. This brush is kind of flimsy. Well, around here it's flimsy, and it didn't have too much of stuff on it, so that's good. We're gonna be doing this ringer today. Let's put this little form on. Make sure I'm staying in the camera. Put this little form on. These are so flimsy. Like, I don't like them, but we're gonna use it. If I say that one more time. All right. See, and I cannot see my hand in this position, so I want to make sure you guys can see. In due time, y'all, I want to get a better filming setup, but I cannot see. I'm trying to get under the corner. There you go. Need to lift it just a little. Come on. These suck, y'all, big time. But you gotta use what you got, right? We could use different ones, the ones that I actually like. But you guys, this is what I'm talking about with these forms. They come loose easily. This one does come with the primer, and I should have rebuffed my nails again. Let's do that. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, I went ahead and took the shine off the nail. Let's quickly see, because these forms have a tendency to come unloose. Oh, I forgot primer. Since it comes with it, I'm putting it on. And you know, primer only goes on the natural nail. It does not go nowhere else. And when I tell y'all about this freaking form, hate these. Okay, let's see how the consistency is. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold this form on. Try to get me a little dry bead. And that did work. And I really need to hold my finger down. But in order for you guys to see, I gotta kind of have it up. So let's try this again. Bring it to the corner. Bring it back to the corner. I really cannot see, but I need you guys to see. So I'm gonna do my best with putting it on. And I must say, this one looks very clear. Almost like, can you guys see that? It is very clear. It's almost like Valentino's Crystal Clear. Now, I'm not comparing the texture to it now because this is just my first bead. But I'm talking about the clarity on it is almost similar to Valentino's Crystal Clear. Okay. And this one, you are definitely going to not be working with this too dry, because that was a very dry bead and it came loose again. Okay, not too. It blends well. Get some of that monomer off. Can y'all see? I'm trying to see and show y'all at the same time. But that's the brush clicking like that. It's like it's loose in this area. Like around I forgot what it's called, but it starts with the F, I believe. Oh, that's so big. Because I don't want to put them too thick on my nail. Yeah, this brush doesn't pick up a lot of monomer, I'm noticing. So all my beads are coming out very dry. Very, very dry. And it's a big brush, though. Yeah, that little pot don't give it a lot of room. But the last few beads have been, oh my goodness, come on. Now the clearness to this, I like. I really do like. Let me see if it'll pick up a big bead, y'all. Give me a minute. It's not dry. And it doesn't, because it's still dry. So this brush doesn't hold. And this is just a bead I was just doing to see, so, but I'm going to put it on the nail and still blend it. But the crystal clearness of it, I really like it. I like the crystal clearness. I wanted to do these thin, so it'll be easier for me to take them off, but I need a little bit more on that side to make sure it's going to hold, because I'm actually trying to test the durability of it too. Let me hear my baby in the back talking. He's in the other room watching TV. Can y'all see that? See what I'm doing? just fill it in the side. Because we're using these awful. If you ever see these, I actually have, I think it's a, what is it? The full, no, not a roll of them. It's like something like that. That's folded up of these. And after I used them like twice, and it was just pulling them off, not even for a set. I used them like twice. That's too big. But I was like, no, they're awful. And I found some more on Amazon, which I actually absolutely love. And I use those. They're somewhat like the Young Nails forms. They are very nice, thick, and they hold. Okay. So let's let this dry. Oh, okay, so my camera is running out of storage. So I have to quickly show you how this has turned out. And we may not be able to get the filing part in, but we're gonna kind of see if I can do it really quick. Oh, I should close that. But it shut off, so hopefully you guys were able to get some of that footage. But I'm trying to move a little bit faster because my camera is running out of storage. And I know this isn't perfect, you guys, but I have to kind of rush so I can make sure I get this on there. I know the camera's maybe shaking because I'm like real close up on the table trying to hurry up so that it doesn't shut off and I can actually show you guys. Okay, let me see if I use one. See how clear that is? I love the clarity on it. And I would still be able to try to perfect this a little bit more, go around the cuticles and things like that. But this is how it is, and it is strong. For right now, I'm going to give it, the monomer smell is strong, but I'm going to give it probably a 7.5. So for a beginner, 7.5, but this brush sucks. The brush sucks. You're going to get frustrated with this, so you may want to get an actual good brush when it comes down to this kit. But yeah, I suggest you can try this one, but not the brush. If you have a brush already, you can try this one. I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to be doing the giveaways in a few more weeks. Once I figure out what's it, what's not, we're going to start mailing out some giveaways, and I'll let you know how you guys can enter those. Talk to you later. Bye.